restore. No fear shall overtake me as I rest in Him and trust in His word. His love surrounds me, His presence protects, His grace sustains me through it all.